Been thinking how best to make a RV gear video for a while. Been at this for almost 5 years. It occurred to me I should probably make a buy this, not that video. First item, wheel chocks. Instead of buying this cheap plastic one, buy this big heavy rubber one. Next item, buy this, way better than one of these. No, this, yes, this, no. Don't buy this. Buy one of these. Don't get this. It's too big. Instead of buying that big level, buy one of these guys. I think it comes in a 2-pack. This is a better option. Uneven terrain, you have to level. Yes, go ahead and buy these. Don't use weight. No, don't buy these. Buy this instead. Quick connection here. I'm gonna plug this up to my gas grill. Totes. Yep, you're gonna need them. You get ones that are clear, or at least have clear tops, so you can see what's inside them. Don't get ones that have no way of knowing what's inside them until you open them. Water hoses, you're gonna need them, but you don't need two. I've been at over 100 campgrounds, I think, at this point. I've had 2 water hoses, but this one, yeah, never used. Almost 5 years now. That's been stuck inside that little tote, never used. Coffee makers. Don't buy this, buy that. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so whenever I can in the video description, I'm going to try and put links to the products I'm using so that you can see what it looks like. Now, do your own diligence. Don't necessarily have to buy from Amazon. You can get better deals in other places sometimes. But some cases, you'll do a lot of traveling to try and find those products, and it might just be easier to just click the link and buy it from Amazon. The advantage is, to me, however, if you buy from Amazon, I'll make a 1 to 4% commission on every purchase you make for a 24-hour window if you click on the link to Amazon from the description that I've created. And I'll make 1 to 4% commission on it, which means if it's a 1% commission item, I get 20 cents for every $20 you spend on Amazon. But if it's a 4% commission, then I'll make a whopping 80 cents for every $20 you spend on Amazon. Now, if you buy from Amazon by using that link, it doesn't increase the cost to you. There's nothing to worry about for you. But I'll make a little bit of change for every purchase you make on Amazon. So help me out here. If you find my video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Just do something. And additionally, if you have anything that you would like to know more about, put it in the comment section. Maybe I'll be able to get on there and give you an update on whatever it is you're looking for additional information on.